We're shooting our capsule story and we have a very limited amount of pieces. From a makeup perspective, you're gonna see a very monochromatic look, and for her hair, something very simple.
This is all she would have.
Ready? Rumble? Okay, we're gonna start here.
Okay.
You're gonna see her hair tossed around, you're gonna see her hair put up, you're gonna see her hair put down. Something super clean, but at the same time, very realistic and versatile. Okay, let's change.
Black and white is the easiest of all the capsule colorations you could find because you can mix and match any other color story. Yeah, this could look cute with her scarf blowing.
Ah, beautiful. It is hectic. We have a lot of noise. We have a lot of people around us.
Just keep in mind, 10 easy pieces, you can go anywhere. I could have created 100 outfits probably. Well, maybe not 100, but you know what I mean. You can make a lot of looks.
Okay, let's go. Thank you, everybody.